In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $100 per day with the Amazon affiliate program. Now, this video is a part of a video series where every Friday we take a look at different affiliate programs. If you want me to take a closer look at an affiliate program you are considering, simply reply to this video or comment down below with the name of the program and I'll take a look at it. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to help you make money online. And if you want to have your city, state, province, or country added to the globe behind me, simply reply down in the comment section with your city, state, province, or country. All right, so what we're going to do today is we are simply just going to take a closer look at the Amazon Associates affiliate program, and I'm going to show you how you can start making money. It's actually really easy. The most important thing you need to realize is that you will need to create content consistently to start seeing consistent success. And the first thing that you want to do is you want to head on over to affiliate-program.amazon.com, or just type in Amazon affiliate program and click the first link and sign up. Now, I'm not going to walk you through the process of signing up. I think that you could figure that out. It takes about 15 minutes. Also, while you're there, make sure that you read the terms of service and read the commission structure, because the commission structure is going to vary. With Amazon Associates, you can earn up to a 10% commission, but most of the products listed are like 3%. So I encourage you to go read it. You'll understand why you are paid what you're paid and the commission structure and all of that stuff. It's also very important to know that with the Amazon Associate Affiliate Program, there is a 24-hour cookie window. That means that you have 24 hours from the time that a customer clicks on your affiliate link for them to make a purchase for you to earn a commission. Very important stuff that you need to know. So let's go ahead, now that we got some of that stuff out of the way, let's talk about how you can start making $100 per day. The first thing that I recommend that you do is if you purchase anything from Amazon, go to Amazon and then go to your recent orders. Now, this is actually going to make life much easier for you when it comes to creating content. So if we look at this, we can scroll down and find a product that we recently purchased. For example, we could look at this Magnetic World globe. In fact, the globe that is right behind me. Now, what we can do here is we can start thinking about the types of people that need this globe, or the types of people that would be interested in this globe. The other thing that you could do is you could do a review video for the globe. Now, I went ahead and took a look. There aren't any people that are creating review videos for globes. That's okay. You can see this globe is actually $59. It's a pretty good price. And if you think about it, you're probably going to get about a 3% commission. So that's not so bad. But what you can do is you can start thinking about different types of people that would be interested in this globe. And to help you out, I actually went over to YouTube and I typed in best globe for, and if you look at this, people are answering this question: best globe for students, study, UPSC preparation for kids for homeschool. And what we could do is we could put together a list of the 5 or 6 best globes for homeschool, and then we could add in our affiliate link from Amazon. And when people click on these links and make a purchase, you can earn a commission. Now, if we look at this, the top result here, 1.6 thousand views from a year ago, only 550 subscribers. So literally anybody can do this. But look at the second one here, 24,000 views, 87 subscribers. So one of the biggest misconceptions out there is people think that you've got to be in health, wealth, relationships, technology, but you can see that literally any niche will work. Okay, so this is just one thing, best globe for homeschool. And you could simply just go through and answer this question, but you can do this for any product or service. If we did best globe for students, you can see once again, if we take a look, top 10 globes for students, 24,000 views, 87 subscribers, 1.6 thousand views, not a lot of competition, a pretty good amount of search volume actually for something like this. But another thing that you can do is you can use a keyword research tool like Ahrefs. Now with Ahrefs, it says that there are 4 million searches per month, but a lot of that's going to be skewed towards the Golden Globes or the Boston Globe. So you're going to have to sift through there and try and find different opportunities. But if we're thinking about this, if I come back over here, if we look at best globe for under Google, we can see best globe for home, best globe to buy, best globe string lights. We can literally start thinking about questions that people are asking. Now, what I want to do is I actually want to do this with a more popular product, but I just want to show you that this can work for literally anything that you have recently purchased. All right, so what we're going to do is we are going to do a, let's assume that you purchased these Beats by Dre Studio 3 wireless over-ear headphones. What you can do to get started is copy the product name like this, go right over to YouTube or TikTok or Google and paste in, just like this, the product name and hit enter. And what you're going to see is you're going to see that people are doing review videos, okay? And if we take a look, 1.9 million views from 4 years ago, 672,000 views from 4 years ago, but you can see that people are doing this. Another thing that we can do, we could do review videos like this. As you can see, we can do unboxing videos, and I'll show you that there are lots of traffic for unboxing videos, but you can do this for literally any product or service out there. So if we look at this, you can see unboxing series, 1.5 thousand views from a year ago. This person only has 1.6 thousand subscribers. So you can see that this is an opportunity. Another thing that we can do is we can actually do comparison videos. And I think this is really popular, really powerful. Not a lot of people will do this, but we can do like, let's get rid of this, and we could say versus, and now we can find different headphones that are in the same niche and market and do comparisons. So if I just get rid of Beats by Dre, let's do Beats by Dre wireless versus, I'm just going to delete this like this, hit the space bar, and we can see that people are comparing Bose, excuse me. But you can see that this is a really popular opportunity, and you can do this with any product or service out there, and there are tons of views. But look at the second one here, 45,000 views, only 816 subscribers. So as I mentioned yesterday, people are saying that affiliate marketing is saturated. People are saying that I can't make money online, or you can't make money online. The people that are saying that you can't make money online are convincing themselves that they can't do it so that they have an out if they're not successful. But if we look at this channel has 816 subscribers only, not even monetized by YouTube, not a huge mega super channel. They have 45,000 reviews. Look at the one below it, 2,000 subscribers, 1,000 views, a great view to subscriber ratio. Again, 2,000 views, 819 subscribers. Teeny tiny channels are getting tons of views following this simple process. And you can implement this process today with whatever products you have, and you can start making money. But then you can also come back up here. So we've got what we've done already. We've done reviews and we've done unboxings. We've done comparison videos. What we can do is we can do something like best wireless headphones for. Now look at this. Now people are asking about their individual needs. Best wireless headphones for working out, for gaming, for music. You create this content and you can see success. You just need to create the content. Now, if we look at this, 130,000 views, 100,000 subscribers, 72,000 views, 61,000 views, only 10,000 subscribers. And you can simply create this content. Now, what you'd want to do if you wanted to promote those headphones, best over-ear workout headphones. We could do best over-ear headphones. Now look at this, best over-ear headphones for gym. Hit enter. You're going to see there are tons of views to be had. 61,000 views, 10,000 subscribers, 130,000 views, 768,000 views. And people are asking these questions. No competition, very good search for this type of content. And so you have a really good mix, okay? Very good content mix, but we could delete 4 like this, and we could just knock all of these out. Here's another great one. I've talked about best X for Y. We could talk about best X under Y. So we could do best over-ear headphones under $100, $2,000. Let's do best over-ear headphones under $150. Let's see how much those Beats by Dre cost, $199. So we could change that to $200. But you can see here that 6,000 views, 45,000 subscribers, 894,000 views, 900, almost 1 million subscribers there. But this is where the opportunity is. You guys can just create content based on what your target audience wants to know. Affiliate marketing is not complicated. You just have to go out and execute and do the work and be willing to do the work consistently over a long period of time. Most people are selling you the dream you can get rich within 15, 20 minutes. But most people that are successful with affiliate marketing is a gradual buildup over time. But if we look at this best over-ear headphones under $200, 21,000 views, 5,000 views, 7,000 views. And the cool thing with YouTube is you can wind up in the recommendations. You can wind up in search, simply just creating this content. We could do best wireless earphones under best wireless earphones under $200. So we can do that. And if we take a look, 300,000 views, 856 views, shows up second in search results. Only 1,000, almost 2,000 subscribers. So this is where the opportunity is. And you can do the exact same thing over on TikTok. So if we jump over to TikTok, because I know that's the hot trending thing right now. If we jump over to TikTok and we could say something like, once this loads, we could say best wireless earphones for like this. And once TikTok loads, but look at this, for gym, we can click on that one. And you can see, because people are using TikTok as a search engine, 3.8 million views, 4,000 views, 25,000 views. And then we could do, what was it, Beats by Dre unboxing. We could say Beats by Dre unboxing. Like this. Hit enter. Boom, look at that. People are just doing this and making money. Now, what I'd recommend that you do, if you're going to go this route, I recommend that you send people to a landing page where you can either collect their email or have multiple products listed so that you can make money. But you can see that you can do this with literally anything. You could start a blog if you wanted to. You could start a YouTube channel. You can do this on TikTok. You can do this on Instagram. You can do this anywhere and be successful. What's most important is that you create the content and be consistent. Most people will create content once or twice and say this doesn't work, throw their hands up and jump onto the next side hustle. And then they wonder why nothing works for them. It takes consistency over a week, a month, 6 months, maybe even a year of creating content, and you will be successful. Another thing that you can do, so I'm just going to write these out real quick so that you can see them. So the first thing we looked at were review videos. And I'm just going to increase the size here. Let's do 64. First thing we looked at were review videos. Then we can do unboxing. Then we can do X versus Y. X versus Y. Then we can do best X for Y. Then we did best X under Y. Remember, we did X under $200 wireless earphones. And then the final thing, we can actually step up a little bit more. Actually, if we go back up here, we could do something like alternatives. So alts. So Beats by Dre alternatives. People are ready to buy. They just want to make sure that they've got all their bases covered. The final thing that we can do is who. We can do who, what, when, where, why, and how. Now you have to think, what problems does that Beats by Dre headphone solve? Or what problems does the Globe solve? For example, it might help homeschoolers visualize country sizes for people that want to have better workouts. Or maybe they have a problem with their iPods falling out of their ear. People are going to YouTube and Google and typing in things like how to make AirPods how to make AirPods louder. One thing that you could do is you could provide 3 tips for making AirPods louder. And if it's not working, you could recommend a good alternative like the Beats by Dre. We could do something like how to make AirPods louder. We could say like maybe how to improve workout like that. And one of the ways to improve workouts is to have better sound quality. You can noise canceling, block that out. But this is how you can be successful with affiliate marketing. There is a really good content mix here. You can do this on TikTok or YouTube or Google. If you do these things here, you answer these questions, you will be successful with affiliate marketing and the Amazon affiliate program. Now that you know how to get started with the Amazon affiliate program, watch this video next to learn more about affiliate marketing.